Dana participates in an electronic monitoring program, which means that we put cameras on his boat instead of people to monitor his catch. So you can see behind us we have a screen of 4 cameras that cover his whole deck. He's one of the first participants in a new EM program called the Maximize Retention Program. And all that means is that instead of discarding fish and measuring them at sea, he actually brings them all into shore and they get accounted for by someone at the dock. And so the cameras are really used to make sure we can see what's coming on deck and make sure that nothing that is going overboard isn't supposed to be going overboard. So you, in the past, have been using more of the traditional observers.
Yes.
How is the EM system working for you?
I like the system for safety-wise, as far as monitoring what's going on with my crew on deck. I like it for being able to see what I can actually see exactly what we're catching for species from up in here without going out on deck.
And then we've been using actually some of that footage from Dana's boat about what he's catching, and we can see kind of what's being hauled up in the nets and landed, and using it for marketing purposes to help teach local consumers about what species are coming out of our local waters, what species local fishermen like Dana are catching, so they can go out and actually buy those species in the marketplace and actually support those fishermen who are participating in programs like this.
So,
That's about it in a nutshell.
in a nutshell, yeah.